Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Tim Tooten, the pastor and founder of Harvest Christian Ministries here in Baltimore County, Maryland. First of all, happy 2016 to you. This is the year to look up. David said it well. I will lift up mine eyes into the hills from whence cometh my help. All of my help cometh from the Lord. This season, don't get caught up into your resolutions, but rather the Redeemer himself. Check us out daily for our seeds of encouragement and for sermons on our website, www.com2harvest.org. That's www.com2harvest.org. Have a great day in the Lord and a prosperous 2016.